Okay. Yes, as far as the other points are concerned, apart from the petitioner being cross-examined by the court, there is no case made out by the petitioner because the NRC was not applicable, and then the only link that they could show is the father, the examination of the father, the deposition, but that was without any documentary evidence. So Jamabandi also you had shown that it was purchased, not devolved. But the cross-examination is done by the court, as I could see from the order sheet also, and I have examined that, I have written that. What were the orders, and it was discerned that the cross-examination by the court, so it was remanded. Some cosmetic changes will.
It has been remanded.
It has been remanded, yes. And here, Rashida Khatun, what happened is the voters list. Most of the voters list were uncertified. Only 2 were certified. That will not again establish the link. Here also, father had given his evidence without any documentary documents. And section 50 will also not be applicable. I have given the regions. Dol Gobindo case also I have referred. So the matter is dismissed.
Yes.
I beg to mention for listing one admission matter milot ex parte order.
As per expert order.
Ex parte order. Admission
Filed when?
Milot, it is listed on 6/2/2026 milot. Old matter milot.
Matter which year?
2025.
25. Old matter.
Old matter.
We are doing
That's why. That's why.
we are doing 19 matters
No milot. Ex parte. That's why. It is a good case milot.
for the state. Good for the state.
No, milot. Good for the petitioner.
You haven't said good for whom.
No. Good for the petitioner. Case is very good case.
Okay, Monday.
Monday.
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item 28, Lordship.
28.
I
Yes.
appear on behalf of Mr. K.M. Hassan, Lordship. Lordship, this matter will be adjourned for the day, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Lordship.
Friday.
Lordship.
Oh, it's matter of 26. Friday, we'll have it on Friday. On a request made on behalf of Sri K.M. Hassan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday.
May please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 19, my lord.
19.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What is
That
it?
may kindly be taken up after some days, my lord.
After
Few days, my lord.
few days.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
My lord, I have some problem with that.
Hmm? You have problem?
Yes, my lord. 26 matter, my lord.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner. Matter is adjourned. Madam,
19.
madam, 2 weeks we are adjourning, but we are giving it. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks. What's the
Yes, my lord.
list on? Today is on 20th of May.
Obviously, my lord.
25. Please pass.
My lord, not 28, my lord. Another 2 days more, my lord. As we are
22.
22.
22.5.
Obviously.
22.5. Vice.
Actually, sir, Lordship, in this case, my lord, we have filed IA, my lord, but there is some defect, my lord, so the IA is not listed. We are going to.
IA for what?
For my lord, substitution, my lord. Petitioner already expired, my lord.
Why is the requirement of substitution? We have clarified in all matters.
My lord.
It's not a continuing cause of action. We'll clarify that this will not have any adverse impact.
What's up with
Then-
Mr. Pine? So just requested for a time being for this. matter.
Let Mr. Payne come. It may not be required to substitute. We can
But-
close this. We'll make an observation that without a specific reference against any of the family members, they cannot be proceeded solely on the basis of this opinion. That we have done.
My lord.
No point. This has become madly academic.
My lord, too. That's
Let
the-
Mr. Payne come.
that- My lord.
May I plead your lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time being. My senior counsel is in another court.
Who is your senior?
Jay Ahmed.
Jusim Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please ask him to come. But only time being, 19 matters. We are not adjourning 19 matters.
Hello, 19 matters. Please.
State Council, have you got the instructions?
Only regarding position of the flat has been received, Lordship. For position of the flat it is Lordship, which mid-water.
Hmm?
Position of the flat is mid-water.
Okay, we'll have it on Friday then. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the state is represented by Ms. R.B. Bora, the learned state counsel. Para? In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday next. Date to deliver. After recovery.
May I please allow?
Yes, Mr. Bora.
My lord, I have explained the, my lord, delay, my lord. In fact, it's an opinion of 28/11/2018, my lord. So to that effect, my lord, I have filed this, my lord, additional affidavit, my lord. My lord, the reason I have explained, my lord, how it got delayed, my lord.
Records have been called for.
Not record, not called for, my lord, till date.
Records are not here, my.
FT matter.
Lordship,
We'll examine and call for the records, examine,
lordship.
but no interim order as such. Okay. For Sri J.C. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an order dated 28/11/2018 passed by so and so in so and so, declaring the petitioner as foreigner post 25/3/1971. The learned counsel has also submitted that though there is a delay in approaching the court, the same has been explained. Para?
That is, my lord, in additional affidavit, my lord.
Explained in the additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
For para?
In
Miss-
para 1 to, my lord,
Ms. A.
7.
Verma, learned standing counsel, NRC and FT, has however raised an objection, a preliminary objection on the ground of delay in approaching the court. Para? Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable on
Lordship, respondent 6 is striked off, Lordship. We can't represent the FT.
who is sixth.
Respondent at page 3.
Oh. It doesn't matter. We'll do it later. Returnable on, we'll have it returnable on 8th of June. Union of India, anybody there? Union of India? Union of India? RKD Chaudhary, is he there? Or SK Medhi? Who is there? SS Roy. RKD Chaudhary. Sri RKD Chaudhary, Deputy SGI for 1. Then Madam A. Verma for
3
2 and 3.
and 4.
2, 3 and 5 also perhaps.
5 would be G. Sharma. He's there, Lordship.
2 and 3. And
History.
4 is by P. Sharma, State Council, and 5 by G. Sharma, Standing Council, NRC. Notice is not required, is not required to be issued to the respondent number 6. Para? Call for the records. Baki khani agle na? Registry to do the needful.
My lord,
Okay, no, sir. No, it is into which judicial power to receive. It's not an appellate forum, no? It's forum. We are questioning the, you have to give the authority an opportunity to defend its case. Maybe when we are a particular, some we talk. That will not matter. That will be continuation of the procedure. If you go to, not if you go to Paris from, it is to Paris, he has to defend. This is bull now. I don't know about it.
My lord, till then no deportation, my lord.
Huh?
If I may pray, my lord.
No, you are 18 till 26. How is it maintainable?
In fact,
We'll decide the entire case.
I'm not praying for bail, my lord. May not be, my lord.
After how many years?
It's
Deportation.
7 years.
So is it reasonable? 7 years you have not been deported.
Got a copy of the.
Extra copy, extra copy.
Yes, my lord. I'm deeply obliged.
Identify.
Wait,
Yes.
please, just hold on. Lordship, kindly pass over this matter for time being, Lordship. The arguing council is fixed in court number 16.
Time being.
Yes, Your Lordship.
By all matters time being. Today we are rising early also. There's different benches. Okay. Okay. After a while, please call her.
Yes, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Item 6.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, read petition criminal, Lordship. This petition has been filed, Lordship, for a
Instructions.
seeking inquiry of a missing person case, Lordship. On Shayat Hussain, Lordship, from Thuksor, South Salmara, who has been missing since 27/9.
Yes,
2025.
instructions.
ZT entry has been. Made lordship thereafter, some inquiry has been conducted.
There is an indication that he might have drowned.
Lordship. Lordship,
Are you suspecting any foul play?
definitely, Lordship. I have met 3 individual parties, Lordship. And why I made this parties, Lordship? Lordship, kindly at page 15, Lordship.
Madam, this report, the FIR was lodged in September 2025. Now, why don't you complete the investigation? You have to give a final form. It can be a charge sheet, it can be a final report, but FF has to be filed. How many days?
And
From
Lordship,
September.
it is still in the ZD entry, Lordship. No,
No, it's not
Restriction.
GD entry. There
Yes,
some
sir.
investigation inquiry was made. And
And-
that is, but instead of filing pleadings in this case, you complete the investigation, submit your report.
Lordship.
At least they'll get a chance. If they think that the investigation is not proper, they can at least file an RRJ or whatever. Now, you're neither here nor there.
Moreover, Lordship, why it is very essential to investigate, Lordship. I have made 3 individual parties, and why I made this parties, Lordship, kindly at page 15, Lordship. This is a missing case, Lordship. Subsequently, on individual agreement has been done, Lordship, between 3 individuals, Lordship. The wife of the Lordship, the missing person, and 2 other individuals. So what is their intention, Lordship, in this case, Lordship?
Agreement regarding,
In that Lordship agreement, the wife of the missing person has submitted that she has no any doubt, she has no any suspect upon anybody, Lordship, and the GDNT she has submitted, Lordship, and she is not interested to continue the case, Lordship. This is the case, Lordship. Sufficient suspect has been, Lordship.
no, Mr.
Found-
Counsel, this is not a complaint case. This is originates from information in the police. Even if the informant is not interested, it has to be taken to a logical course,
Definitely, Lordship.
logical conclusion,
At least, Lordship, direction,
complete the
Lordship.
investigation. But this has not given you anywhere. Where is the investigation? You have sent notices and you have come to some kind of a presumption. But file your report if that presumption is substantiated by anything you have found in the inquiry, okay,
Exactly.
After two years.
pursuant to the order, what is your name? J. Islam?
Jai Islam.
Heard Sri J. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Miss R.B. Bora, learned state counsel. Para. Pursuant to the order dated 18/3/2026, the learned state counsel has obtained written instructions dated 27/3/2026. Full stop. Full stop now. Copy of which has been furnished to us, has been placed before this court. Full stop. On going through the same, it appears that some inquiry has been done, and there is also a suspicion that the deceased might have drowned in the Brahmaputra. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, let the investigation be completed expeditiously, and the final form be submitted in accordance with law. Full stop. List on. Where today is
Today is six.
we'll have it on 3rd of June. 3rd of June. The subsequent development may be appraised. Miss Bora, the London State Council shall apprise this court regarding the subsequent development.
Be published, Lordship.
Item 7.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, in this case, an opinion was rendered against the present petitioner. That your copy will find at page number 17, my lord. Subsequent to that, my lord, he challenged the same by filing a writ petition earlier. So that was also disposed of, my lord. The opinion was upheld, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, the family members of the petitioner approached, seeking advice as to whether there are any further remedies or not. So having gone through the brief, I found that the documents were not complete so as to tender any advice. So therefore, I advised him to collect the requisite copy, my lord, from the learned tribunal. So he applied for the copy, my lord, but that complete copy has not been furnished to him. This is the limited grievance in this case. And that, my lord, the petitioner approached through his son before the learned tribunal. Your lordship will find at annexure 5, page number 98. So my only grievance is that not complete copy of the records may be furnished, my lord.
But the opinion has been upheld by this court.
My lord. My lord.
So what is your indirect prayer? Indirect prayer is not to deport again the same prayer.
That is the interim prayer. But the prayer is
How can you have that prayer once the writ petition has been dismissed?
anyway, my lord, that is subject to your lordship's
No, you
decision.
cannot make a prayer like this. You are just trying to have the same thing.
No, my lord, so far as my main prayer is concerned, I have prayed for a direction for furnishing the documents, my lord. If that is done, my lord, then that would do, my lord. So far my grievance is concerned, my lord. My prayer A and B, my lord,
Which documents do you require?
because, my lord, the documents of the all orders, my lord, and then the documents, that is documents,
Where is your application? Where is your application for certified copy?
my lord, I submitted it, my
Where?
lord. If your lordship is pleased to peruse annexure 1,
Page
page 17, my lord.
17.
My lord.
Yes.
In fact, the copy petition I could not furnish because that is lying in the tribunal, my lord. But so far as the date, my lord, the letterhead of the opinion is concerned, my lord. On 7/1/26, my lord, I applied for.
This you have got on 31.
My lord. But the opinion was given, my lord. But
What documents have you sought for?
my lord, I sought for, my lord, the documents your lordship will find at page number 99. That is the certified copy of annexure B, my lord. So that is the report of the, my lord, ERO, election registration officer, my lord. So I have not been furnished with that. All orders and then the PW statements, if any, my lord, and the copy of the reference.
99.
My lord. This is the petition, my lord, page number 98 onwards, my lord. That was about to be submitted before the learned tribunal, my lord. That was not entertained, my lord. So therefore, I am before your lordship, my lord. So I have made the statement and paragraph 2
We are not entertaining this kind of petition.
No, yes, sir.
What is this? You're abusing the process.
My lord, my limited understanding,
Your limited understanding is not the issue.
my lord,
Issue is an opinion has attained finality, at least in this court.
my lord.
If you are aggrieved, you challenge it.
But so
Now,
far,
can you just make the same prayer by making another approach?
because on earlier occasion, these documents were not given, my lord.
No,
So far as the
Lordship,
corporate-
the record, Lordship, if Lordship looks at the order of this court at page 27, Lordship. These documents, this court has gone into. the document at page 30.
You're not acting bona fide. How do you apply for a certified copy? Like this, in an application of this nature?
My lord,
How do you apply? When was it? When was this filed?
application was filed on, my lord, 26/3,
Receipt?
2026.
Receipt? Where is the receipt?
My lord, 26/3, it was filed, my lord, but that was not
Mr. Ali,
my lord.
after rendering the opinion, the tribunal becomes functus officio.
My lord.
If you want a certified copy, you have to file an application in the office, not before it. Remember,
Even office was also, I
Where?
have made the statement, my lord.
where is the application?
So that application, my lord,
Where is the application? You don't approach a
Because on
court or a
earlier-
tribunal for certified copy.
because I
Tribunal has
approached,
become functus officio.
I approached the office, my lord.
Where?
Twice, my lord.
Where have you stated?
I have stated, my lord.
Huh?
Page 99. Petitioner applied for certified copy, but then.
My lord, paragraph 6 of my
There
petition.
cannot be any reason not to give you a certified copy. Madam, we are closing this.
Hmm.
Closing this. But if he's asked for certified copy, instruct the tribunal.
My lord.
Why should we not give up? If he has
That-
applied, he'll get it.
Let us see your statement in the.
My lord,
petition.
paragraph 6, my lord,
6.
of my writ petition.
We are not entertaining and increasing our pendency like this with this kind of cases.
He's seeking for.
Paragraph 6.
Already been dealt by this court. The documents. which
And
we
you
seek-
file
And not, my lord, I am
You
not,
file your review appeal, whatever you want.
my lord,
Court will take care.
but in for
This
the
is not
review,
an application.
my perception was that, my lord, for going for review, my lord, at least I have to make out some ground, my lord. Otherwise, the review. will
Mr.
not be
Ali,
accepted.
Mr. Ali, where is your statement?
My lord, paragraph 6, my lord.
How have you verified paragraph 6? How have you verified paragraph 6? You are making an application, you are verifying as true to records.
My lord. So this is records means because on 30th 1
Can
2026,
it be matters of records? You are filing an application for certified copy.
my lord,
You are verifying it as per true to records.
my lord.
Your application. I don't think there is bona fide on your part.
My lord, that is subject to your lordship's
We are discussing
acknowledgement. Otherwise, my lord, my limited understanding was that if I have to make some application, either appeal or review, for that I have to make out some ground. So in absence of those documents, that cannot be done. So with my limited understanding, my lord, I advised accordingly, my lord.
Heard Sri A. Ali, learned counsel. This is good. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss A. Verma, learned so standing counsel so and so. Miss S. Kotoki, learned standing counsel ECI. Sri who R.B. Bora or P. Sharma? Miss R.B. Bora, learned state counsel, and Miss L. Devi on behalf of the Union of India. Full stop. The present application under Article 226 of the Constitution has been filed with the following prayer. Full stop. It appears that the petitioner was a proceedee in FT case number 188 of 2017 before the learned Foreigners Tribunal number 10, Borpeta. Full stop. The said proceeding had culminated in an opinion dated 3/3/2022. Full stop. The opinion was put to challenge in WPC 2060 of 2025, which was dismissed on 5/5/2025, and the opinion was upheld. Full stop. Para, it has been projected. It has been projected that thereafter there were change of counsel and certified copies were applied for, which have not been furnished. Full stop. Therefore, the present application has been filed. Para, we have heard, three, Ali the Learned Council has submitted that a petition was filed on 26/3/2026 before the tribunal, which was not entertained. He has also submitted that application for certified copy was duly made, which have not been furnished. Para. On the other hand, Ms. Verma, the Learned Standing Council has submitted that all these aspects were looked into by this court in WPC 2060/2025, which was dismissed on 5/5/2025. Full stop. Since no further steps were taken by the petitioner, the opinion had attained finality, and the present application is nothing but an abuse of the process. Full stop. Para. The Learned Council for the other respondents have endorsed the submission of Ms. Verma and has prayed for dismissal of the writ petition. Full stop. Para. On perusal of the relief sought for, it appears that there is also an interim prayer not to deport the petitioner pursuant to the order dated 3/3/2022 passed by the Learned Tribunal. Full stop. Para. It clearly appears that when the opinion, don't say. We are, however, of the opinion that when the order dated 3/3/2022 was upheld by this court in a contested proceeding in WPC 2060/2025, the present approach is nothing but an abuse of the process, whereby the same prayer has again sought to be renewed. Full stop. We are also of the view that after passing of the opinion, the tribunal becomes functus officio, and therefore there cannot be any reason for entertaining a petition by the said tribunal except a petition for review, which has to be filed strictly in accordance with law. Para. So far as the statement made in the affidavit, made in the petition, that such certified copy was sought for, we have also noted that such statements have not been verified properly in the affidavit and has been verified as true to records. Full stop. In that view of the matter, we are of the opinion that no case for interference is made out, and accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed.
Obliged.
Lordship may pass over the matter for time.
Item number
8. Senior counsel is only.
all matters pass over. Why? These are not important matters for you.
Pass over for the time being.
Yes, time being.
Okay, let him come after a while.
Okay, obliged.
Item 9.
This is a contested matter, my lord. Order dated 21/2/2025, my lord, by which the petitioner has been declared to be a foreigner. My lord. In fact, my lord, she is the daughter of one Azimuddin.
Why will you come so late after a year?
He was late, my lord, on my part, my lord. He was taken. earlier.
Will issue notice?
Yeah.
Will consider your interim
2025,
prayer.
my lord. 2025 matter, my lord.
25 matter.
Yes, madam.
21/2/25. We are in 2026
Yes.
May. We'll consider your interim prayer after receipt of the records. Not now. You're very late in coming to the court. Third, as Islam,
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an order dated 21/2/2025 passed by the learned Foreigners Tribunal number 6, Borpeta, in so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. What are your grounds?
In fact, my lord, the petitioner's, my lord, the elder sister, my lord, she has deposed, appeared before the learned tribunal and deposed that the petitioner happened to be the sister of his own mother.
Hmm?
The petitioner, my lord,
His
she-
sister deposed what?
she is the petitioner is the younger sister of the DW2, my lord.
The DW2, what did she depose?
What?
What are your grounds of challenge?
That has not been considered by the learned tribunal. my
But
lord.
that oral evidence otherwise also will not be considered
Yes, my lord.
in absence of any
In fact,
documentary
my lord,
evidence.
the DW2, my lord, another proceeding was started against the DW2, my lord, and in that proceeding, my lord, she has been declared to be a not foreigner, my lord.
Indian citizen.
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel has submitted that relevant factors, including the aspect that the sister of the petitioner has been declared an Indian citizen in another proceeding,
Yes.
have not been taken into consideration.
Yes.
Para, let notice be issued. Returnable on 8th of June. Union of India, where is she, Madam? LDV. Oh, you would be there. BDECA. CGC 1. Election Commission of India, Madam S. Kotoki 2. State of Assam Home Department, A. Verma 3. Madam Verma
Yes, Lordship.
3,
3 and 6, Lordship.
3 and 6.
And 4 would be Mr. D. Sharma, Lordship.
Where is he? Is he there in the court or not?
So he's gone to collect the records.
For G. Sharma, Standing Council NRC 4. And District Commissioner P. Sharma 5 and 6. Oh no, 5 only. And what about 7? Inquiry officer?
Inquiry officer would be the police.
Police.
Why have you made the inquiry officer a party? Huh?
Inquiry
Is he an
officer-
entity, legal entity? What role will he have?
And he may not be there now, Lordship. That officer may not be there now.
At this stage, notice is not issued to the respondent for 7. Extra copies. Huh? Call for the records. Registry to do the needful. Huh?
In fact,
The interim prayer
she is a
would be
very old
considered.
lady, my lord.
The interim prayer will be considered after receipt of the records.
This is the third round of litigation, my lord.
Third round. Why?
Third round, my lord. Actually, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, she has been made a D voter, my lord, right from 2011, my lord, without any reason, my lord.
Thereafter,
Thereafter, he approached this honorable court, my lord, and a direction was issued to the state respondents, my lord. Second time, my lord.
what direction? For reconsidering.
Yes, my lord.
Then thereafter,
Let's see the page 34, my lord.
hmm.
Second paragraph, my lord. Third paragraph, my lord.
What is this, madam? We've not understood. He has been approaching for deleting the D aspect.
Yes.
Give the instructions, Lordship.
But earlier rounds were there. This is the third round. What has happened earlier?
This is, I have found one order at page 34. I'm looking at the second order.
That has not been annexed.
Hmm?
Then it's only one order.
All order.
It said this is third round of
What were the earlier orders, Mr. Islam?
Earlier order, my lord.
What was the direction of this court?
Court had earlier passed the detailed order on 79/325 seeking instruction. That it is continued in that has been placed before this court.
In 1106, my lord, 2021, my lord. It is.
Now, what was the direction of this court earlier? Let us see the last direction. Page of this court,
Page 34, my lord.
34. Let us see what is there in 34.
Yes.
Court advised to approach the SP again on the said proceedings. Accordingly, the instant petition stands closed on the basis of the above mentioned instruction. That is all. Like the tribunal to decide whether she is a foreigner or not, lordship. That is the second order passed. First one to that.
26/9/2020. Oh, first of all.
Now, the FT, the proceeding, the reference would be decided. How there can be a deletion of D now?
No, my lord.
Kindly come to page 34, Mr. Islam,
34.
paragraph 3.
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph 3.
Yes, my lord.
This court had passed a detailed order on so-and-so seeking instruction as to why petitioner's name continued to remain in the so-and-so. In pursuance thereto, instruction has been received, issued by SP Border. It has been mentioned the reference has already been forwarded to the Foreigners Tribunal, Kokrajhar.
Yes.
Against the petitioner to determine whether you are a foreigner or not. That will be decided.
Decided, my lord. But thereafter, my lord, as per this order, my lord, the petitioner approached the landed tribunal, Kokrajhar, my lord. And he wants to contest the case, my lord. But till date, my lord, no case has been pending in this.
Unless notice is issued, where is the proceeding?
He inquired, my lord. He inquired, my lord.
No, no,
but
a notice has
no
to be-
case is
no.
pending against him, my lord, till date, my lord. Thereafter, he approached the SP also, my lord.
Now, Mr.
Election
Islam,
also, my lord.
there was an instructions placed before this court of 25
Yes,
9
yes, my lord.
2025
Yes, my lord.
that the reference was already made to the concerned tribunal.
That is reflected in this order, my lord.
Now, if you have not received the notice,
Yes.
why are you perturbed now?
Thereafter, he approached the landed
No,
tribunal, my lord.
you will approach the court
And
only
Really,
when,
they told that no case is pending.
Mr.
against
Islam,
him.
you will approach the court
Yes.
only when you receive the notice.
Yes, my lord.
Have you received the notice?
No, my lord.
Then, where is the cause of action?
As per this direction, my lord, he approached, my lord.
Which direction? Where is the direction?
This direction, my lord.
Last line,
Yes, my lord.
we approach the foreigners to participate. But,
Yes, which direction? Taking into account the reference has already been made, thought for instatement cannot be granted, petitioner will be able to approach this
The
court
petitioner
and
would be
participate in the
well
proceeding.
advised to approach the Foreigners Tribunal, Kokrajhar, and participate in the said proceedings.
Proceeding has not started.
Yes, my lord.
So why are you inviting the proceeding to be started?
No, my lord. Right from 2011, my lord, he has been made D, my lord.
See, once you are made D and there is a reference,
Repeated orders, my
it
lord.
is only a question
Till
when
date, my
the
lord,
proceeding
no,
will
no
start.
case has been pending, my lord. No case is pending, my lord, against him.
Lordship, we read paragraph 3 properly, lordship. It says the court.
25/9/2025, there is a
Yes,
clear instruction that reference has been made to the concerned tribunal.
Yes, my
It
lord.
takes some time to come, lordship.
We don't find any cause of action now.
And it's the same petition, same repeated orders in both the cases.
We don't find any cause of action. How can you say for this last line, how can you read in isolation? Last line is only that you would participate in the proceeding.
Yes, my
Now
lord.
proceeding is yet to start.
Till date, my lord, no proceeding is.
He is yet to
pending.
start.
He inquired about the proceeding, my lord.
Reference. You can have the instruction what has happened after this 25/9/2025.
Yeah.
We'll have vote for motion. Okay. Heard Sri S. Islam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. It appears that the petitioner, the grievance is with regard to the aspect of prefixing D, capital D, before his name in the voters list pertaining to Kokrajhar West, within bracket ST, LSE since the year 2011.
Ele-
Full stop. The petitioner had earlier approached this court. And in the last writ petition, WPC 5463 of 2025, comma, an order was passed on 26/9/2025, whereby this court, after recording the written instructions dated 25/9/2025, that a reference was passed, comma, the said writ petition was closed with a direction to the petitioner to approach and participate in the proceeding. Full stop. Para? It is the specific case of the petitioner that in spite of inquiries, comma, no reference could be detected to have been initiated against him. Para? The aforesaid submission appears to be in direct conflict with the written instructions dated 25/9/2025, which have been recorded by this court in its order dated 26/9/2025. Para? In view of the above, comma, we direct Ms. Verma, the London Standing Council, you will refer to Standing Council, NRC and FT, to take necessary instructions with regard to the initiation of the proceeding by a reference which finds mention in the written instructions dated 25/9/2025.
Before problem.
Para, list for matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on the, we'll have it on 15, on the 29th of May.
Obliged.
You take a copy. Item 5, time being. Madam, we have been noticing you should either ask your clerk to change his handwriting. It cannot even read what is written in all your files. Just see,
I can understand, Lordship.
just scribbling something.
Even the page number now we
Now,
do.
page
and
number
we-
is okay, but here,
We do and we
yeah,
give.
how
it to-
perfunctorily it is done. You should take care, something should be taken care of. It makes a lot of difference
Yes.
in your
definitely.
presentation.
Yes, I can understand. Is there is an annex?
And
there
this is not the first case, every time.
Yes, he's the only one who does my work. I'll tell him. Lordship. Otherwise, we will write.
There's no harm in writing by yourself.
Yes, we'll do it.
Yes, what is this?
Yeah, but, Lordship, petitioners is approaching this honorable court. His father was declared as foreigner while the matter was pending for opinion. Meanwhile, he was in cancer patient, so he died. So now the son of that proceedee is approaching this honorable court. Thereafter, subsequent order was there and opinion was there, and he was declared as a foreigner.
Is it required? See, these are orders which are specific in nature.
Yes, Lordship.
It cannot have any adverse impact on any other members. This will be merely an academic exercise. All cases we have closed saying that this will not have any adverse impact. And this opinion cannot be the sole basis of declaring any family member as foreigner. A specific reference has to be there. It has to be.
Yes.
That will clarify. Why are you filing this? Not required. Mother has passed away.
That case is.
Passed away with a tag of for being a foreigner. He himself, his father's name appeared in the voters list of 1970.
Understood.
In fact, he would have, if
Will it
the
make any
land-
difference? Mere
land-
academic.
and Lordship, it also will create because their license and all, your father is declared as a foreigner. That part.
What
is-
license?
Like driving license in one of my case. So he had to challenge because his driving license was not renewed Reason is that his father, when police verification came in, his father was declared foreigner, so he's in one of the case
He
it
was not
happened.
declared.
No, no, in another case it happened. So in this case, so he preferred to. So if Lordship says there are no negative impact, then
No negative impact. Oh, your case has to be, first there has to be a reference against yourself.
yes,
There is
yes,
no such
that
reference.
it's true, Lord.
In absence of a reference,
Yes.
it's been clarified.
So,
Like
specific-
Sudhir Roy or something.
Sudhir Roy,
Sudhir
yes,
Roy.
2019 1 GLT
Roy is
353.
there.
And subsequently, there are several
And
judgments.
moreover, I think you can get the benefit of CA also.
CA not required because already they have land documents of 1958, then the
If
procedure.
if at all,
Yes, I
if at
understood,
all.
Lordship. Yes,
we'll close this then, or you can withdraw this.
it can be closed if any reference is there against him. Okay.
Heard. Ms. D. Ghosh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard. सबका नाम लिख दीजिए, हाँ, पैरा. The Learned Counsel, and then the instant petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed with the following prayer to put forward, huh? Page number 21 again. No, this.
You do. Please, opinion.
No, yes, no,
Page
no,
number is
prayer,
30, Lordship. Impugno.
Prayer is page 24. 24 onward. As per the facts projected, comma, our reference, the aforesaid reference was initiated against the father of the petitioner, which was answered in the affirmative, wide an opinion dated 30/1/2024, declaring the father of the petitioner as a foreigner post 1971. It is, however, contended that the father of the petitioner passed away when?
2012-2023, Lordship. I have annexed the death certificate also, page 45.
Even before the opinion.
No. Yes, before the opinion, when the matter was reserved for opinion, before that.
It is, however, the case of the petitioner, it is passed away on
2012-2023.
2023, which even before the opinion could be rendered. Full stop. The Learned Counsel submits that apart from the fact that the opinion may not be sustainable, comma, she also apprehends that the family, the petitioner and the other family members would be adversely affected by the said opinion. Full stop, para. Ms. Verma, the Learned Standing Counsel, so-and-so, has however submitted that it is settled that without there being a reference, specific reference against an individual, comma, no individual can be declared a foreigner. Full stop, para. In Learned Counsel for the rest of the respondents have also supported the said view. Para. It is no longer res integra that unless there is a specific reference, comma, no individual can be declared a foreigner. And the fact that a family member has been declared a foreigner would by itself cannot be the sole ground of declaring the other members as foreigners. Full stop. In this regard, one may refer to the case of Sudhir Roy versus Union of India reported in so-and-so. In view of the above, comma, we are of the opinion that the present challenge would be merely academic and therefore is not required to be gone into. Full stop. Para. The writ petition is accordingly closed, however, with an observation that the opinion dated 31/2024 against the father of the petitioner cannot be made the sole basis of any order any subsequent order or opinion against against the petitioner or other family members in absence of a specific reference.
Deeply.
Sudhir Roy, here to Didi. Madam, did you inform the tribunal that he passed away?
No, Lordship, we also came to know because judgment was reserved for
Yeah, but
long
that-
time. Opinion was reserved for long time.
It, however, does it is, however, not discernible as to whether the learned tribunal was apprised of the fact of the passing away of the father of the petitioner before delivering the impugned opinion. Porota,
Met, please, Lordship.
item number.
Item number 8, Your Lordship. Time being. Page 50 is the impugned opinion, Your Lordship. So here in this case, Your Lordship, the petitioner relied upon
19 order.
10 documents, Your Lordship, 11 documents. Lordship, the total list of 1966 Exhibit A. Page 50 may kindly be looked into, Your Lordship.
Very late.
It's a late, Your Lordship. It's a late because of the fact, Your Lordship. No, she's an old lady. And she told.
From 19 to 2026,
Lordship.
nothing has happened. Why are you worried now?
So, Lordship, what happens is that, Your Lordship, the lady is an old, it's a old as a lady, Your Lordship, and there is no son.
Old means how many? What is the age?
Yes, now, Your Lordship, around, so far the information today around 70, Your Lordship.
Around 70.
Around.
Let us see what age have you disclosed?
On physical appearance, sir, I have noticed, Your Lordship.
74.
You have noticed her physically
And I have seen that.
or examined her physically.
Seven.
Why turning into a doctor?
So, Lordship.
74, you have disclosed 74.
Lordship. So there's no son, Your Lordship, as per the as she told you, Lordship. And one daughter is there, and she got married in a distance place, Your Lordship. So, and due to some abject poverty also, Your Lordship.
You come from which district? Kokrajhar.
Lordship. So living under penury and destitution, Your Lordship, that may also be considered, Your Lordship. Nobody is there to look after.
Part 3 AAD1 learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion dated 21/8/2019 passed by the learned foreigners tribunal 6th Dhubri in so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. What are your grounds, Mr. Diwan?
So ground, Your Lordship, I have taken, Your Lordship, that is space in my petition, Your Lordship. Page 19, page 11, Your Lordship, para 19, Your Lordship.
What is it?
May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
That the petitioner respectively based to the due to extreme poverty, literacy, and complete lack of legal guidance. The petitioner didn't understand the legal consequence of the order of the urgency.
No. What are your grounds of challenge, not the delay?
Grounds of challenge, Your Lordship, because I have the sufficient documents, Your Lordship. I have to substantiate her claim, Your Lordship. She has produced as many as 10 documents, Your Lordship, including the brutal list of 1966 to Your Lordship, land documents also. So,
See, your age is 74.
Lordship.
So for you, it will be very easy to prove your citizenship.
Yes, Your Lordship. So, my name
Any
also.
voters list of 70, 70, that
Lord-
period?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where?
Even Your Lordship, page 59 may kindly be looked into, Your Lordship.
59.
59. My name is there with my father, Your Lordship. Father and
No,
mother.
father is not required. You are 74-year-old.
Yes, Your Lordship. Even then, Your Lordship.
My father is required. Your name will be
Yeah.
there. What is your name? Sahara Khatun.
Sahara Khatun.
Why are you coming to 89? What about the relevant period? 70, 71.
70.
You're 74-year-old.
Yes, Your Lordship, but So. in
You were
the-
born when? Around 1950?
Lordship,
52,
in the opinion, your lordship, in the opinion,
18 years. How about it?
Oh, okay, no. 74 years. Where is your voter list? The name in the voter list
So
of the
voter-
relevant period?
so voter list, your lordship,
Which voter list?
they could not produce the voter list of.
You said you had 10 documents.
Yes, your lordship.
10 documents, we need documents of the relevant period.
So they furnished only, your lordship, the voter list of 1989. Here the age.
89, you are 30 years.
30 years indicated, your lordship. And that is
You're
what
not
your lordship.
30. You have disclosed your age to be 74 now.
So your lordship, that is what.
70, if it's 74, your date of birth will be, year
yes,
of birth
sir.
will be how much?
So opinion.
Yes? 51.
Yes, your lordship. That's
52.
what your lordship, in the opinion also, it has been indicated that had your age been 74 years, 74 years, then certainly your age would have been in the year 1989, 53 years. That's what had indicated in the.
So where is your ground? You
So
don't
this
have-
is the age discrepancy, your lordship, only based on the age discrepancy, your lordship.
We are not on the age discrepancy. You are on the age disclosed by you. Now you say you are 74. Forget about the age in the voters list. Let us assume that what you have stated is correct. You are 74. Your year of birth will be 1951. Where is your voter list of 1971? 20 years, 21 years.
So, your lordship, I have inquired, I have taken the instruction inquired about that, your lordship, but she couldn't provide, your lordship, the voter list of 90. Only,
These are all based on documentary evidence.
so, your lordship, it's a teacher makes it clear, your lordship, at best notice may kindly, notice may go, your lordship.
Why notice in all cases? You make it a prima facie case, we'll issue notice.
So in the meantime, your lordship, I'll try, again, I'll try my best to.
A single document. So one document.
One document.
So one document from which was produced before the tribunal, which was not considered. One relevant document.
So, lordship.
Was marked in which year? Yes.
Lordship, 50 may kindly be looked into of the opinion. Your lordship.
50.
In the down below, your lordship, the proceeding in her written statement as well as.
We are not on those written statement. We are not on the opinion.
Because I have been.
Show us a document from which a prima facie view can be taken that you are not a foreigner. We'll examine.
Lordship, but D was stacked. D was put in each.
At least one document.
In the opinion, also not clear in which year the D was stacked, your lordship. Page 50.
See, instead of dismissing it tomorrow or day after, let us dismiss it today.
Lordship.
Huh? Burden is gone.
So my submission, your lordship, if your lordship, if your lordship taken into consideration the evidence of the sister of the your lordship, the prodigy, as well as the Gaubura's statement, and also your lordship, the land documents.
Land
The
document
only
of whom?
thing is that your lordship
That land document of whom?
pertains to his father, your lordship. Her father.
Difficult, very
Your
difficult.
lordship only, your lordship, your lordship, lenient on this particular point, your lordship, that if we
Lenient.
born in the year, your lordship, 1953, certainly her name would have appeared in the voter list of your lordship. That's what your lordship more particularly
That is
indicated.
that is the most relevant question. You answered that question. So we are dismissing part 3A Diwan Learned Council for the petitioner who has put to challenge an order dated 21/8/2019 passed by so and so so and so. The Learned Council has submitted that relevant factors have not been taken into consideration. Para. On the other hand, the Learned Council for the respondents have submitted that there is not even a single documented evidence which would go to show that the petitioner is not a foreigner. Para. The aspect of delay in approaching this court has also been highlighted. Para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued. Returnable.
Oh, Divya,
But next day we'll be going.
last.
Returnable on 8th of June. Sri, Madam A. Verma, Learned. Union of India. Union of India, B Deka. Union of India, number 1, B Deka. And home A. Verma for 2, 4. 2 and 4. Then District Magistrate P. Sharma for 3. Election Commission of India S. Kotoki for 5. And G. Sharma for 6 extra copies. Para. The maintainability of this writ petition on the grounds of delay is however kept open.
Record conclusion.
Notice के बाद call for the records. Call for the extra copy, call for the record, office to restrict to do the needful or extra copies. ये दोनों छोड़ना. Okay, next. Good night. Puroni matter.
Is the death certificate of the.
The procedure has passed away.
Yes, my lord.
So we'll pass the same order. Okay, we'll pass the same order. Wait, there's a possibility. Go back.
Heard Mr.
Yep.
M. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. G. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the NRC and FT matters, representing respondent number. Alage, no? No, so many respondents.
P5, 6 and 7.
3, 5, 6, and 7. On FT and NRC matters, Mr. Ann Kolita, Learned Counsel for ECI. Mr. P. Sharma, the State Counsel. This instant application has been filed challenging the opinion dated
Page 69.
69.
69.
Opinion
28/10/2015.
dated 28/10/2015, passed by the Learned Foreigners Tribunal number 7, Dhubri at Bilasipara in FT case number Likhilova, whereby the petitioner was declared a foreigner post 1971. The Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has expired on 22/8/2021. Opinion was dated when? 2015. Okay.
15.
2021, and a death certificate has been produced when the matter is taken up today. In view of the same, it has been decided in a number of cases that the debt of the petitioner, that is the proceeding, that in case of death of the petitioner, that is the proceeding, let's say any opinion against him would not be applicable to any of his family members, since the declaration that a proceedee is foreigner is individual in nature, and the said declaration of the petitioner will not have any effect on other family members. In view of the same, in view of the same, the instant case is closed. Since the appeal against the said order will also not be required to be heard in view of the expiry of the petitioner. Okay. Matter is disposed of.
Obliged. একটু আছে কিন্তু তুমি ফোন একটু কোন হলো এইটা হচ্ছে ওটা দি বনা দিয়ে গেল Yes.
On earlier occasion, record was sent to.
Record.
That may be reflected. in your
Records be sent back with a copy of this order.
No,
No.
একটু কইছে না records have been handed over by the learned counsel.
Yeah, handed back.
আমি যে লগে একটু লগে করি
Records are handed over by the learned counsel for the FTN border matter, FT matters,
which can be transmitted
which can be transmitted to the learned court, learned foreigners tribunal.
Mr. Rasuddin, what is this? Item number
2, my lord.
2.
19 matter.
Yes.
Here, the name of the petitioner also appeared in the voter list of 1993 along with his father. And father name appeared in the voter list of 1960.
Just give us 1 minute. 19 matter we're taking for final disposal. Just a minute. 8046 of 19. Name of the proceedings Fazal Haq. Fazal. Date of birth, year of birth? Date or year of birth?
Mentioned.
The age at the time?
Yes, 43 years.
43 years age of 19?
On 19.
What will be the year of birth?
1976.
1976?
Yes.
Mhm.
His name appeared in the voter list for the first time in the 1993,
76.
in age of 18 years.
76? 43 or 19?
19.
Year of birth 76. Yes, what are the documents, Mr. Ahmed?
My lord, the Lord kindly see first.
Age?
If you Lord kindly see the annexure 1, page 11, my lord.
11.
Yes, my lord. Here is the notice. Here, my name has been mentioned.
This is by IMDT.
Yes. My name has been recorded as Fazal Haq.
Yes.
Now, next page, page 12, it is of Fazal Haq, son of Gautam Miya. Now, page 13, you also can see.
Batumia.
Here,
Oh.
my name has recorded as Faisal Haq. Faisal Gautam Miya.
And next page, annexure 2, my lord, page 14, also my name recorded as Faisal Haq.
Mm.
So in on their records, my name has wrongly written.
What is your name?
Fazal Haq.
Fazal.
Yes, Fazal.
F-A-Z-A-L.
Yes.
Father's name?
Father's name Gatu Mia.
What to me?
Fazal Haq, Fazal Ali. Not Faisal. my lord.
Okay, then
Then my lord, also can you see in the Yes. page 13, last part, 1960 voter list of my father was produced.
Hmm? 19, page 13.
1966, yes.
Page 13. What is
Yes.
there?
Page 13, last portion, madam.
Hmm.
Bottom.
Hmm.
Here it has been mentioned
Hmm.
that the local verification done by the so
Hmm.
extract of electoral roll 1966, 1 copy.
Hmm.
Local verifications are done by A.K. Sharma. So
Hmm.
now let's look at the see the 1966 voter list. Page 47, madam. I was originally born and brought up at village Patligosi. My father was also permanent resident of village Patligosi.
Page
Page 47, voter list, 1966.
47.
Now here, it was simply page 48. My father's name has recorded as a Gotu Sheikh.
From Mia, it is Sheikh.
Sheikh. Gotu Sheikh, Palan,
47 is voter list of
1966.
1966 voter list. Khatu Sheikh.
Gotu Sheikh, and my mother's name is Hajaman Nesa. Here also, illustratively see, serial number 2000, Gotu Sheikh. Against my name, my mother's name, my father's name as Gotu Sheikh.
Yes.
Now, 1970 voter list, page 49. Tham village. Gotu Sheikh, son of Plan, Sajaman Nesa, Gotu, my mother.
Yes. Okay.
Now, my lord, page 51, 1993 voter list. My lord. Tham village, village Patlikusi.
From 70, you go to 1993.
My lord.
13 years.
13 years.
Okay, doesn't matter. Who is there in?
Yes, here, name of my father, mother, my elder brothers, and my name also appeared, along my father, mother. My father's name written as Gotu Mia, son of Palan. My grandfather's name is maintained, correctly maintained. Sajawan Nesa Gotu. Ibrahim Ali, my brother, elder brother, expired. Samsul Haq Gotu, my brother. Sabia Khatun, my sister-in-law. Fazor Ali, my lord. This is my name. Gotu, 18 years. First time my name appeared, along with my parents. And
Ibrahim is your brother.
my lord, my lord. Samsul Haq is also my brother.
Ibrahim Ali. Ibrahim Ali is 38 years.
Samsul Haq is also my brother, 28 years.
Sabia?
Sabi, sister-in-law, wife of Samsul Haq.
Father is
Go to,
petitioner.
yes, my lord.
Father is the petitioner. Father is petitioner. Father Ali,
Father is the petitioner.
191.
91.
Okay.
Now let's kindly see.
But whether you were 18 in 93, you will be 18 in 94 if you are born in 76.
It is as
1 year.
my lord. There may be some age discrepancies may be there. But let's kindly see. Then page 53. This is the voter list of 1997, where my father name, my mother name, and my one of brother recorded. But in 1997, Mark D has been inserted against my name.
In 697 voters list, you have Gotumia, father.
Father. Sajavan is
Sajaman
mother.
is mother.
And
and
Samsulok
Samsul.
brother.
Samsul is brother.
Yes, but Mark D has been inserted in 1997 against
Where?
me. That is not voter list, not punished, my lord. I mentioned here. In written statement, I mentioned.
What about the other brothers?
The expert.
Ibrahim?
Ibrahim expert, Samsul also expert. I
No,
mentioned his
Samsul name was there in 1997.
7. But later the expert, I will mention in my written statement. I
What
will.
about Sabia Khatun?
Sabia Khatun is wife of Samsul.
Where is her name?
Her name is not found here. Now it looks like land document.
But you said in 97, petitioner's name was Mark D.
Mark D. It is also in inquiry report. That is why inquiry has been conducted by the EO in 1980, 1998 against me by the ICE. Now it also can see page 55, land document. This is the Jamamondi copy sort of 1958-65. Here, my father has two brothers. One, my father is Gurumia, and second, Abdul Qadir, my uncle. And after the death of my father, my name along with my brother also mutated. You also can see serial number 3 Fazal Haq, my name. And white order, you also can see order in the Jamamondi copy. Next page, page 56. It is translated copy, my lord. As per order dated Prenso, passed by the cycle officer, the name of Fazal Haq, Mainal Haq, Samsul Haq, Ibrahim Ali, Zainab Khatun, Maina Khatun, Mohila Khatun, father led Gutumia as legal heirs in place of Gutumia, and his legal heirs the name of Honorable Ali, Muharram Nasa, Amiron Nasa, father of late Samsul Haq, Yusuf Haq, Sophia Khatun, wife of late Samsul Haq, in place of Samsul Haq, and then name of Matir Rahman, Haber Rahman, Rahima Khatun, and Alma Khatun, father late Ibrahim, both the brother expert. So their name, children's name also mutated in the 2005. In the 2005.
And this document also exhibited. Also exhibited. But the learned member discarded these documents only on the ground that that was not proved by original. That is not proved. But it's not certificate copy, my lord, not necessary to prove. This certificate copy. Now also kindly see my written statement. Written statement, my lord. Page 17.
17.
Yes, sir.
অসমীয়াখন পঢ়িবি নাই। অসমীয়াখন land document ৰ illegible দেখোন।
Yes, written statement is at page 17.
17, my lord. Paragraph 3, my lord.
Hmm.
The plaint or copy of the case is not served to the opposite proceeding. That,
What is the meaning?
as per
Where is the plaint? Is there any
the plaint, my
plaint?
lord.
This is a very, very mechanical statement you have made.
But tribunal served notice copy where there is no main ground. It is to be required as per section 3 of the Acts. They must, along with the notice, they must furnish the grounds on which basis why the case has been registered in the tribunal. Tribunal should know the serve the grounds along with the notice. That has been not done. 5, my lord, the Gauhati High Court so viewed before forwarding reference notice should refer the reference to the Thana level committee, but the present case referring authority goes, I am not in that. The investigating inquiry officer neither visit the house of the proceeding nor give any notice to him to produce his relevant documents, which shall now let us say from paragraph 11 onwards. Do the certificates, my lord. I mentioned here. My father's name is Gatu Mia. Mother's name is Hajavan Mia. The grandfather's name of the son is Palan Sheikh, Palan Mia, Palan. Grandmother's name is Malika. The grandfather of the OP has two sons, namely Gatu Sheikh, Gatu Mia, Sensu, father of the OP, and Abdul Kader, uncle of the OP, and two daughters, namely Sensu. That the parents of the OP, namely Gatu Sheikh, Gatu Mia, and Sajaman Nasa have four sons, namely here Ibrahim Ali expired, Samsul Haq expired, Fazal Haq is the petitioner, and Moinal Haq, and three daughters, namely Swensu, Swensu, and Swensu, my lord. The parents' name of the boy, namely Gatu Mia, 66, 1970, then paragraph 1993 appeared. Now, my lord, paragraph 20, paragraph 19. The prince never will namely Gatu Mia, Gatu Sheikh, and Sajavan appeared in the borders of 1997, along with his one brother, Samsul Haq. One brother, Samsul Haq. Other two brothers expired. In Sel Swensu, Hassan. The father's name of has appeared at Gatu Mia and Swensu. The father of the Gatu Mia, Gatu Sheikh, and his uncle Abdul Kadir entered land property during Swensu. The opposite party, parents of the opposite party died in village Patlikusi due to old age after 1997. That the father of the opposite Samsul Haq and Ibrahim Ali also died. That the landed property entitled by the father of the OP were inherited by the brother and sister of the OP, namely Swensu, my lord. Swensu.
How many witnesses?
Three witnesses.
Who are there?
myself, my brother, and Gabura,
DW1 is petitioner.
petitioner.
DW2,
His brother.
Name?
Name Mainal.
Moinal.
Yes. Surviving brother. Other two brothers expired.
And 3,
Three is Gabura. You will also see that page 26, my evidence, DW1. And page 31 is the evidence for part of the my brother, DW2. But they are not cross examined by the state. It is yes, got pleaded, madam. Now, Gabura's evidence is important, my lord. Page 34.
thirty.
34, madam.
In the written statement, it was written your father died in 1997. But 97 voters list, your father appeared.
No, not, no, my lord. Namely, Gutume Swensu appear in the voter list along with his brother. Paragraph 19. Not that.
No, you had written here, paragraph 18.
Paragraph 18.
No. Paragraph that 97 your father died.
Thereafter, but name is there.
Huh.
Name is there. Sometimes died earlier, but voter list is maintained, my lord.
Page 19, the parent of OP died due to old age after 97.
Yes.
After
97.
97. After 97.
Now also can you see page 34. Gabura. I know the second party Fazal Haq. Father's name of the second party is Gutumia. I know the father of the second party. Exhibit F is the certificate given by me. Now cross my lord. I am Gabura of village Patligusi, Mediterranean and Borpalli. I became Gabura from 1982, my lord. The house of second party at village Patligusi and my house at village Mediterranean. Although I was born at village Patligusi. I know the second party, and as such I issue the certificate. I have maintained the register of the peoples, but I have not brought the said register book to the in the court. It is not true that I came here to give false evidence. Here, one
Where is the certificate?
Gabra certificate. Gabra certificate is on record, my lord.
Not enclosed.
No.
No. It is. 34 is the Gauhati. Certificate is not with you.
No.
With the records.
Okay.
We'll
It is
look
here.
into it. What page of the records? 52.
Exhibit F. In the judgment, my lord,
Yes, what else?
So, my lord, the learned tribunal below
No.
learned tribunal held that in page 45. Lord,
Is
Page 45,
4-5.
45, second para. Although election officer submitted a report of the authenticity of the voter list, which was submitted by the proceeding, but it does not prove that the name contained in the said voter list indeed possesses parents. This is one. But that has been not disputed by the state during the before the tribunal. Commander. Now,
Okay, we'll take a break of 5 minutes.
then my lord, page 44 of the judgment.
These are the documents.
My lord.
Any other documents?
Yes. My lord, now page 44 of the judgment.
No, judgment is okay, but what are the documents? We are just as
The
a
documents that my name appeared along with my father. This is the vital documents.
in 93.
93. This is the vital. For the first time, my name appeared. This is the vital documents. And Gaubara specifically stated that he no personal, he belongs to my same village. He's the Gaubara of.
Gaupura deposition will see
Yes.
at page 34, along with the certificate, which is page 52 of the records.
Yes.
Those will see.
Now let's look and say page 44, why the learned member discussed the Jawamandi copy. Page 44, paragraph 3.
You say that DW2 is Mainul. Who is DW2?
Moinul Haq,
Your brother.
brother.
Where is his name?
DW2,
Where is his name in 93?
93.
There is no Mainul Haq.
No, he's younger brother.
Yeah, any voter list of Mainul along with Gatu and Sajeman? Mainly Singh will not do
No.
any connection.
No, but
Subsequent voters list.
in land record his name appeared. Jawamandi copy, his name appeared. Page 55.
Oh, Moinul Haq expired. Moinul and Samsul expired.
No,
Or what?
Ibrahim and Samsul expired. Moinul is still alive, he gave evidence.
So Moinul is not young. His name comes as the second one
Yes.
in the Jamabandi copy, no?
Yes. Maybe it is sometimes it does not meet name is recorded serially on as basis. It
Now, where is Mainul page? Page
Page 55.
55.
Mobile.
No, not that. Page DW.
Oh, this will do. 2.
Page
Page. Page 31. Had 9 years on 25/3/19.
Admit card, again, minor admit card. Minor admit card. My name is Mainul Haq. My father's name is Gotu Sheikh. The second bit of Fazal Haq is my elder brother. My mother name is Sajamanasa. I have never seen my grandfather and grandmother.
But Moinul, the DW2, could he establish any link with the projected father Gatu and Sajemon projected mother apart from the
Land document.
land document?
There may be some documents, but at that point of time, they could not produce it. There may be some documents. His name may be appeared in the.
No, there maybe will not do.
But not
We-
produced. Not it is.
We'll have to examine what are the records which have been produced.
Not produced.
If those are not appreciated, we will examine that.
Not produced.
But you said that land document, Moinul name is
It is
there.
sufficient. It is sufficient because I am the legal heirs of, and it in the written statement, I clearly mentioned my name of my siblings. In written statement, my brother himself, he give evidence, and so land document is sufficient, my lord. So, and still land is there, my lord. Our land is still there. We are living in that particular land.
No cross-examination of these defense witness.
My lord,
No cross-examination of these defense witness.
yes.
Oh, it is there.
If record is there, I am not found. But
What,
here, I found that
Mr.
there is
Sharma,
he
what-
has been not cross-examined.
Page,
No, cross-examine.
page 52 of the records.
Yes, Lord.
What is that certificate?
Gabura certificate, Lordship.
What are the contents?
Fazal Haq, son of Gatumia. Gatumia is an inhabitant of village Patlikusi, under 20 number.
That is in
Junior
English.
Class.
That is in English.
Yes, Lord.
English.
Exhibit F1, it was issued on 18/1/2018. Exhibit F.
And his deposition is at page 34. What does it state? I am Gaumbura village, Patli Kuchi, Meditari, Barpalli.
Page 57 of the.
52.
Yes.
House of the Secretary. Register he had not brought, but he said that he knows.
Yes, Lord. He knows.
And here to mention, I have maintained the register of the people.
Personal knowledge does not have.
I know the second party, Fazal Haq, but I have not brought the state register.
Yes. But he was not asked to bring it. Now I want to clarify one matter, my lord.
Yes.
Page 44, paragraph 3 and 4.
Page 44.
44, madam. Proceeding also submitted exhibit a Jawamandi copy. This document not proved by original record, hence this document is not acceptable. Moreover, the proceeding failed to submit up to date land revenue receipt of the said revenue. This is one of the grounds. Now, second, my lord. DW minor hurt, but after proceeding submit evidence in SIP and cross-examined. In his evidence in para 13, he stated that he passed SLC examination 1997. But in para 21 of his evidence, he stated that he knew only to put his signature. The statement made by the DW2 is contradictory. This is one of the ground for rejection of my claim. Now, it will specifically see, I file a petition there. To clarify that mistakes, I file a petition. You will specifically see page 37.
page 37. That the petitioner most respectfully begs to state that the case is fixed for further evidence. It appears that inadvertently there is typographical printing mistake in evidence on sheet of D22 which is typed as that my brother is an illiterate person and I only know to put sign only, and the case is initiated by the state taking the advantage of my illiteracy and ignorance, which should have been typed and printed as that my brother is an illiterate person and he only know to put sign only, and this case is initiated that is taking advantage of my illiteracy and ignorance. The paragraph 12 of the evidence sheet of the 2 that the mistake took place of typographical mistakes printing which required to correct the mistakes. That being the advocate of the opposite party, the petitioner filed this petition before the owner. This petition was rejected, my lord, on 11/9/2019, page 38. But actually, my brother Manar Haq, he appeared in SS examination, admit card is there, but wrongly mentioned that he is an illiterate. Now-
This application was verified by the advocate.
Advocate, my lord. Verified by advocate. It is a typical mistake done by the advocate. Then page 38, that petition was rejected on 11/9/2019. And the matter was fixed for judgment on 12/9/19. 12/9/19, judgment delivered on 12/9/19. Put the order I have challenged here. Now, page 8. of
Let us see the order sheet. Order sheet, when was the judgment fixed? By which order it was fixed on 12/9?
11/9/19.
No, 11/9 is the rejection order. When was the judgment fixed? When was the arguments concluded?
12/9/19 for judgment.
No, understood. Prior to that, what was the order?
Fixed 12/9/19.
By which order?
It's 11/9/19.
11/9 was the rejection of the
order of
petition.
my applications. On next part, it is pair is rejected. fixed.
Understood. Prior to that, what was the date?
Prior to that, Lordship, before 11/9/38/19.
What is the order?
Judgment, the answer. By 12/9. It was fixed on 12/9.
What is the order?
Lordship.
Fixed for judgment.
Yes. Yes, fixed 12/9/19 for
For judgment.
Yes.
Rightly rejected 11/9, you file an application. Application is for delaying the proceeding. Rightly rejected.
On,
That is why we are asking what was.
order was passed on 3/8/16.
3/8 fixed for judgment on 12/9.
And
Just wanted
petition on-
judgment, you
petition on
give a
12/9.
petition. Why shouldn't it be rejected?
So I file a petition, my lord.
On the
One-
previous day before the judgment,
My
just to delay.
No delay, my lord. It's.
Then, If there was a
Then-
delay, if there was a mistake, you
Right.
should have immediately called at least on 12/8.
Right.
That we are not finding fault. In this.
Now, otherwise,
And
my
see the
lord,
petition, when did you file the petition? Page 37. Date is there 11/9.
file petition on
11/9.
11/9.
11/9. Next date was for judgment. This was
Yes.
only for delaying.
Yes. My lord, actually, one day.
No, that will not make any difference. We'll now examine whether
Yes, record.
your name
Yes.
in the Jamabanti along with the name of your Moinul,
Minor.
that will make a link or not.
Yes, yes.
That will consider.
Now,
Yes,
you
yes.
will also kindly see the 93 voter list is a very important. My name appeared along with my father, mother, and two other brothers.
Again, Mr. Sharma, can you give the date when it was fixed for judgment? The date of that order?
2019.
3/8?
2019.
3/8/2019 fixed for judgment on 12/9.
12/9/19.
2019.
Yes.
So only learned member has pointed out that there is discrepancy in his evidence and slip.
Yes.
So it is now if you logically see the 93 brutalities, 1966, 1997, all village and all things are maintained. All things are maintained. And 1993, my name appeared, along with my mother, father, same village, same area, my lord. So, my lord, there may be some discrepancies as in the voter list or
Okay.
otherwise. It may be excused, my lord. Then the document copy, learned document is the vital documents, my lord. My lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Anything else, Mr. Ahmed?
My lord, some judgment.
Yes, please, please. Please cite those.
My brother gave an evidence. He stated that he is the elder brother. Proceed is elder brother. That has not been disputed. So, under the Evidence Act, relationship is proved. 51, now 59 of the Evidence Act, relationship is proved. It has not been disputed. So, learned tribunal would have give definite findings to accept or reject the evidence of the deed will prove, whether he is brother or not. He clearly established. So, in this case, this Honorable Court passed on judgment on 2021 4 GLT 664. Here,
Name.
Sujab Ali, MD, Union of India and others.
How do you spell? SOJB.
SUJAB, Sujab Ali, within bracket MD. 2021 4 GLT 664.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 12, 14, and 15. London papers would have given definite findings regarding relationship. That hasn't been done. And in this judgment, this Honorable Court placed the Supreme Court decisions. It is mentioned in paragraph 15. The judgment is mentioned in paragraph 15. And 13 also. Accordingly, this Honorable Court remand back the matter to give definite findings. Here, in the title, if you logically say title of this judgment, title page, Coroner's Post 1971, esteemed declaration proceeding as salience to linkage between proceeding and his parents. Appreciation of evidence as to hold. Tribunal disbelieved the voter list of Spencer exhibited before it, as well as the oral testimony of the proceedings witness. No reasons for such course of action given by the tribunal. Recital of tribunal's verdict, not giving any indication as to whether document is exhibited as proved in terms of the evidence section or whether these were treated as public documents. Court obliged to adhere to mandate section 50 of the Act 1872. While forming any opinion as to the relationship between the persons, in a case before it non-consideration of evidence, the oral testimony visited the order of the tribunal. Oral testimony not at all considered, my lords. I give that.
How do you reconcile this with Noor Begum?
My lord.
There is another judgment, a set of judgments. Oral testimony by itself would not be
No,
sufficient.
not that relationship. Proper relationship, yet that has not been dispatched. In judgment, my brother had examined. He specifically stated he proceeded his elder brother. No proceeding initiated against any other family members. And he stated that. So that has not been considered. Whether if he is a brother, that is to be, his evidence may be discarded or accepted. It is not a matter. But he should have give the definite findings about that form of the established of relationship, my lord. If established relationship proof, then definitely I have a case. So that indicates Jamamandi copy. Because my name appear along with my brother, other brothers, and children of my expired brothers after the death of my fathers. So illegally established that I am the brother of Manal Haq. Manal Haq is my brother. He is still alive and give evidence. Now, Gaura evidence, suppose Gaura is not produced the register, but his evidence cannot be given away, my lord. Suppose if he is an ordinary man, not a Gaura, then his evidence should be considered. Now cannot discard straight away. He specifically stated that I know him, I also belongs to same village. I am the Gaura appointed in 1982.
Settled law that in matters of foreigners tribunal,
Hello.
oral evidence by itself will not be sufficient. Everything has
But
to be backed and supported by
Corporation-
documents.
Corporation is necessary.
Suppose somebody knows that I know he's not a foreigner, it will be sufficient. What about the requirement of documents? Every matter it has been emphasized that documents.
Hello.
Mere by oral evidence, nobody can be declared a citizen or a foreigner.
No. Apart from oral evidence, I give the documented evidence.
That we are examining.
I am giving a documented evidence regarding 1998. Suppose my brother's name is not, my name not appear along with my brother, definitely not come because 1997 my D mark has been inside against me. There is no question appearing my name along with my dead brother. That brother was a minor at that point of time. Then it is not a case that my name should appear before the along with my surviving brothers, because D mark already inserted against me.
Okay, yes.
Then, my lord, my brother Manol Haq, he is give the evidence, and 97 is the document that my name appear along with my parents. It is sufficient. This is the sufficient. And then the land documents. We are still living in that lands.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Coming to DW1 Lordship, evidence,
Petitioner.
petition, yes, Lordship, proceeding. Fazal Haq. Murnam Fazal Haq, from record I am submitting Lordship.
Page? Okay.
Page
here-
42.
no,
41, 41.
Just a
One of
minute.
the records.
Yes,
No,
41.
no, here also is there.
Here,
41 of the else here.
else here. Then
No,
his,
here,
26.
his evidence is my lord.
26.
Cross examination.
Then I go to 24 over here.
20.
23. 20, 22. 22. 22. You want to read the cross or the chief?
Cross.
Cross.
26, and 27.
Cross is at
26.
26. Okay.
Vernacular is 27.
Yeah, we read that vernacular.
Yes. মোৰ নাম ফজল হক, মোৰ পিতাৰ নাম খুটুমিয়া, মোৰ নাম মৃত সাজেমন নেছা, মোৰ ককাৰ নাম পালান মিয়া আৰু আইতাৰ নাম মাইজান নেছা। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ আব্দুল কাদের মোৰ খুৰা হয়। মোৰ আৰু তিনিজন ভাই আছে, তেওঁলোকৰ নাম হ'ল মৃত ৰহিম আলী, মইনুল হক।
So what is this Ditya book
Hmm.
means?
It is wrongly written, my lord.
I think
He is not a party here. My uncle. He is not the party here.
লৰ্ডশ্বিপ, মোৰ পিতা আৰু মাইক কিমান চনত ভোট দিছে মই নাজানো, কিয়নো তেতিয়া মোৰ জন্ম হোৱা নাছিল।
Just a minute, please. What is this meaning? Second, Ditya book Abdul
Something.
Kader Moor Khura hoy. Okay, then please মোৰ আৰু তিনিজন ভাই আছে
উম।
তেওঁলোকৰ নাম হ'ল
মৃত ৰহিম আলী,
ৰহিম আলী
মৃত শামসুল হক, শামসুল হক মৰিছে, মইনাল হক।
But that was Ibrahim Ali, not Rahim Ali.
Maybe Ibrahim Ali, not Rahim Ali. Rahim Ali is
But
not my
here-
brother.
So
Ibrahim Ali is my brother.
so many mistakes.
Too many mistakes.
Ibrahim Ali.
But let us see what is recorded by the learned tribunal. Yes, please read. Keep on reading.
মৃত ৰহিম আলী, শামসুল হক মৰিছে, মইনুল হক আৰু ফজল হক অপোজিট পাৰ্টি জীৱিত। মোৰ পিতা আৰু মায়ে কিমান চনত ভোট দিছে মই নাজানো, কিয়নো তেতিয়া মোৰ জন্ম হোৱা নাছিল। মোৰ পিতাৰ কেতিয়া মৃত্যু হৈছে মোৰ মনত নাই, অনুমান 16 বছৰ মান হৈছে। মোৰ পিতাৰ নামটো কি ডকুমেণ্টত ভুল হৈ আছে মই নাজানো, মই এবাৰো ভোট দিয়া নাই। মোৰ মাৰ কিমান চনত মৃত্যু হৈছে সেই কথা
মই এবাৰো ভোট দিয়া নাই।
এবাৰো ভোট দিয়া নাই। But Lordship, in 1993 voter list, his name reflected Lordship, but it was not marked as the Lordship. So Lordship, this document is not his document. This Fazar Ali and that Fazar Ali is not same in one person. My first submission, Lordship. Then Lordship, evidence of DW2. Evidence of DW2. He contradicted the statements of DW1 Lordship. মোৰ নাম মইনুল হক, মোৰ পিতাৰ নাম মৃত ঘুটু সিং, দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ ফজল হক মোৰ দাদা হয়, মোৰ মাৰ নাম মৃত তাজিমুন নেছা, মোৰ
Cross. You're reading cross.
cross part Lordship. Page 56 of the LCR.
32.
Page 56 of the LCR Lordship.
32 of the
আমি চাৰিজন ভাই ককাই, মোৰ পিতাই কিমান চনত ভোট দিছে নাজানো, ময়ো কিমান চনত ভোট দিছো, মায়েও কিমান চনত ভোট দিছে মই নাজানো। মোৰ ভাই ককাইৰ নাম হ'ল ইব্ৰাহিম আলী, শামসুল হক, ফজল হক। মোৰ পিতাৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা অনুমান 18-20 বছৰ মান হৈছে। Here proceeding says that মোৰ পিতাৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা 15-16 বছৰ মান হৈছে। Here he says Lordship 18-20 বছৰ মান হৈছে আৰু মাৰ মৃত্যু অনুমান 15 বছৰ মান হৈছে। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই 1993 চনত এবাৰ ভোট দিছিল। He says that he casted vote in the year 1993. Yes, Lordship.
But proceeded didn't say.
But examination chief he say, but in cross he
In cross he says, I never casted vote. Brother says he casted vote.
Cross, he told the truth in the cross.
my lord, and that point of they are panic. They forget everything when they even in the dogs.
মই মোৰ জন্মৰ তাৰিখ চন মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষাৰ এডমিট কাৰ্ড মতে লিখিছো। মই ভোট দিছো কিন্তু কিমান চনত ভোট দিছো মোৰ মনত নাই। 1993 চনত দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই ডি ভোটাৰ হৈছে।
Also wrong.
জমা দিয়া এভিডেন্স অন এফিডেভিটত কি লিখা আছে মই জানো। So then cross of Gaubra Lordship. Gaubra.
He said 93 he became a D voter, but according to him 97.
Record say 97.
Yes, Lordship. So their evidence are not matching, Lordship. So these are not actual father. Apart from that, Lordship, there is no document that this Moinul Haq DW2 is the actually the son of Kutu Sek, Lordship.
Admit card to this no. Admit card to this. Evidence to this admit card. I have to admit. He produced the admit card along with his evidence.
Here Kutu Mia.
Yes, admit card and go to me.
Then Lordship may DW2 Gaubra, Lordship. In-
But if DW2 in his cross-examination states that proceeding was marked D in 1993, on the other hand, 1993 voter list proceeding
Yes.
is referring or relying,
Relying.
where his name has allegedly appeared.
Yes,
This was Fazar Ali says that this Fazar Ali is Fazal Haq.
Yes, Lordship. But in that voter list, which the petitioner has related, Lordship, in that voter list, there is no mark, the mark was there.
There's no mark, and the name is Fazar Ali,
Yes, Lordship, not Fazal.
page 52.
Yes, Lord.
Fazar Ali.
Yes, Lordship. Fazal Ali, that's true.
Fazar Ali. And the notice is to Fazal Haq. The initial notice,
Yes,
the proceeding is Fazal Haq or maybe Faisal Haq.
Fazal.
But they should give the notice, those person here give the notice to me, my lord.
Yeah.
Why? If I am not Faisal Haq, why they have notice to me, my lord? Why?
Yeah.
No, you are using the documents of Fazar
No,
Ali.
my lord. I mention here my name, Fazal Ali, Fazal Haq, Fazal Ali I mention. In my
Yeah.
We are
I-
deciding of Fazal Haq.
No, Fazal Ali I mention in my petition, my written statement, I mention my name Fazal Ali. I mention here. In written statement, my evidence,
this is
evidence
some-
also I mention.
This is something very common.
Hmm.
Notice is issued to A, he takes the plea of B, that B's documents. It appears so in this case also.
Maybe, but if that is why I pointed to the loss at the very beginning that
We are not
report.
finding any fault with Fazar Ali.
That-
Fazar Ali may be a citizen of India. We are
No.
examining the case of Fazal Haq or Faisal Haq.
So
On your own, you write Fazar Ali.
then the tribunal is to prove who is Faisal or Faisal. That should be proved. Why don't give me a notice? Forcefully give me a notice. I am not Faisal Haq. I am Fazal Ali. Why they have notice to me, my lord? In this regard, judgment also.
Who you are, you know. And the court also knows and the tribunal also knows. But you are not using your own documents.
But they mistake illogical page 13. What
It doesn't appear that these are your documents.
Report, Lord.
No, why they committed such mistake? No, my lord. Why they committed such type of mistake? Educated persons, my lord.
What mistake?
Illogical page 11.
Yes.
11 illogical.
To Fazal Haq.
Fazal Haq.
Yes.
Then again, page 13.
Faisal Haq.
Haq.
Yes.
Why
Fazal
such type of
becomes Faisal. F-A-Y.
Why Z?
Oh,
Faisal.
Oh.
Why such
But
mistake?
not Fazar. Not Fazar Ali.
Fazal Ali, it is correct.
Fazar Ali is different.
Different. Then they should not have notice to me. I
No,
clearly mentioned
They
I
have
am the
served
Fazal
notice
Ali.
to Faisal only. And Faisal is before us, acting as his father.
No,
That we have,
no, I am nowhere mentioned that I
that
am
we have
Fazal Ali.
understood.
In written statement, everywhere I have mentioned I am not Faisal. I am not given any whisper regarding Faisal. In written statement, I have not given any such type of indication that I am Faisal and Fazal Haq. I am nowhere mentioned. They should have find out that persons.
They have served on the right person. Right person is
Then
before
right
us.
person, nowhere I
Papers are of the wrong person.
no person, nowhere I have been mentioned illogical evidence, written statement. Nowhere I have mentioned that I am Faisal Haq. Nowhere I have been mentioned Fazal Haq. Nowhere I have
What is
mentioned.
your name?
My name Fazal Ali.
Fazar Ali. How have you
Fazal Ali.
signed?
Huh?
Let us see how have you signed. How have you signed your written statement?
Written statement.
Come to page 17 onwards. Seventeen onwards.
Here, illogical evidence 27.
Yes, what is your
Fazal Haq.
signature?
Fazal Haq.
Fazal Haq.
Fazal Haq. Fazal Haq. And illogical written
The
statement.
entire case is gone now.
No.
Fazal Haq is facing a proceeding using the papers of Father Ali.
Yes, Lordship.
What more evidence is required? You sign as Fazal Haq.
In page 21 also I written in written statement, Fazal Haq. Fazal Haq, I have written. In
You're
my,
Fazal Haq.
yes. Fazal Haq, Fazal Ali, my lord.
No. You
My
cannot
lord,
say-
so say my cost title on writ petition, my lord.
First, that you have written. The advocate
No.
has written.
My lord, no, my lord.
Advocate is written.
Not, your lordship
How is the
can say
petitioner signed?
written statement. I try to satisfy your lordship. Just
We are fully satisfied.
nothing.
More than
Page 17, Fazal Haq.
everywhere Fazal Haq.
Fazal Haq.
How?
Then I am also reading Fazal Haq and other Fazal.
Where have you written?
Maybe different sometimes not matching.
My
It is
lord,
the heaven.
my
It is
lord.
heaven in the Buddha list and
Your
document.
planning was not perfect.
Yes.
You should have planned properly.
And Lordship, if Lordship will see the Gabra certificate, there also Fazal Haq, son of Gatumia. Here reference also Gatumia.
Yes.
And he using the document of some Kutu Sheikh, 1966 voter list, Lordship.
If death has been done, then 99% of citizens of India will go. Not only this category of people, every category of people, my lord. 99% will go. No one will remain here in India.
17. But there was very faulty planning. You should have planned properly. If you are using Fazal Ali, write Fazal Ali everywhere. You forgot to write.
In my brother in admit card, he written Manul Haq, son of Ghutumia. In admit card also, my lord. So, my lord,
Let us see your brother's admit card.
it is on record.
Everything and something
Yeah,
more will come out
I
for
did.
now.
Originally, I am Fazal Haq, but in voter list 1993, my name recorded as Fazal Ali. That is why alias Fazal Ali. My lord. And all other documents Fazal Haq.
Evidence at page 28.
This
Here,
is
Patlikuchi.
Patlikuchi. Hmm.
Even in the cross,
Hmm.
computer cross.
Available, available. Hmm.
Where is Pakka Bedbury?
Pakabadbiri is Borpeta, north side of.
Not, and Patlikuchi?
Patlikuchi is near Borpeta.
Near Borpeta.
Gojia. That
Both are different areas.
every school is different, residence is different. Pakabadbiri school. Three kilometers.
ये तो admit कर क्या कौन सा class of metric 1994 97 look at here
No, date of birth is 1992.
80 अच्छा 1990
Yes, anything? Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, Lordship. So,
Before that, I am apologize because actually my submission is wrong. His actual name Fazal Haq. He everywhere mentioned Fazal Haq, and in the voter list of 1993, his name written as Fazal Ali. That is why alias Fazal Ali has been given.
So if there's voter list goes, nothing remains.
Now land document is there. Land document will save me, my lord. And my statement of my brother, evidence of my brother saved me, and Gabra also. Because
Yes,
land document cannot discard it, my lord. It is
so Lordship.
from 1958 land period.
What about the land?
Opinion-
What about the land document?
My humble submission is that land document is, I think, Lordship, it is a post 71 document, and under submission is that a.
Oh, land document is, you're correct. Land document is of 2005.
No, mutation 2005, document is 1950, 58, 56.
No, mutation.
My mutation has been 2005. Because after death of my father, my name is recorded. During the lifetime of my father, my name cannot be recorded, mutated, my lord.
Lordship,
After 97,
this
my father
document-
expired, thereafter our name mutated.
Well, how do you address this?
so, Lordship, this document, my humble submission is that, Lordship, this document is not clearly stated that when this land was occupied by the proceeding and from when it was occupied by the father of the project.
Can you read the vernacular?
Yes, Lordship, but it is not the.
Can you read the vernacular, Mr. Ahmed?
Yes, I can.
Please read.
Just order column I agree.
How did it come to your name? Your name came to be
Yes.
mutated.
Yes. চিটাৰ চক্ৰবেক্ষিয়াৰ অৰ্ডাৰ 28/5/2005 হুকুম মতে উত্তৰাধিকাৰী সূত্ৰে পাত্ৰদাৰৰ স্থলত সমুদায় লগত ফজল হক, মইনুল হক, শামসুল হক, ইব্ৰাহিম আলী, জৈনব আৰু মইনা খাতুন, পিটাৰ চুৱেঞ্চো আৰু তেওঁৰ উত্তৰাধিকাৰী সূত্ৰে শামসুল হকৰ স্থলত শামসুল ওৱান অফ দ্য চন হি ইজ এক্সপায়াৰ্ড তেওঁৰ লগত ৰকিবুল আলী, মাইৰন নেছা বেগম, আমিৰ খোজা, পিতা মৃত ইব্ৰাহিম শামসুল হক আৰু ছফিয়া খাতুন স্বামী Samsul Haq, Logot, Namot.
So where is the statement that on the death of Ghatu,
Yes.
their names have been,
Here, in place of,
where Ghatu is written?
yes, that is it, in place of.
Please read it.
উত্তর দিকে হচ্ছে উত্তর স্থলত উত্তর দিকে হচ্ছে স্থলত সমুদায়
Uttaradhikari of whom?
মাইলাক
Uttaradhikari of whom?
উত্তর
Uttaradhikari of whom? Read the entire line.
ঘটু
Read the entire line.
অরিজিনাল তো অরিজিনাল এটা অরিজিনাল লিখছে অরিজিনাল Yes.
Itu কি লিখছে?
অরিজিনাল তো আছে মন্তব্য না মেডিভুক্ত করে সেইটো ইমানো বটলে এটা কষ্টৰ মতে ইমান ইণ্টাৰফৰ মতে ইমান আগত ইমান লেচা ইমান প্ৰিমিয়াম কৰ্মী বন্দোবস্ত মেধিভুক্ত করা হয় বাইট অর্ডার ডেটেড বাইট অর্ডার নং ডেটেড 27/7/81.
That is not in the translation.
No, that is not in the translation. That land has been converted as a Medipatta land after paying the premium.
So what has been translated? The next page.
Next page. উত্তর দিকে হচ্ছে নং পাট্টার এক নং পাট্টার এক নং পাট্টাদার স্থলত এক নং পাট্টাদার ইজ গটুমিয়া
Each, physical description, each, and English dialect. So they are proceeding against a person named Fazal Law, who was born in and around 1960. This person is a statement from Fazal Ali. Those papers have been shown. He's from to this in 1976. Currently, minutes of indictment. This we are proceeding against 65%.
65.
And therefore, in the next page, you'll find there is a reference to an extract of 1966 electoral law. How is it identified? For a person, he was born in 65.
It was 1965.
66. What, Mr. Sharma, if you come to page 13, just as a matter of clarification,
Yes.
page 13. This is prior to the transfer of cases before the IMDT, during the IMDT period.
Yes,
In the enclosures, page 13. In the enclosures, extract of year of 1966. What is the meaning and why is it given?
Electoral roll of 1966.
Why is it given? What context? Because if you just if you come to the earlier page, come to the earlier page of the petition. This Mr. Ahmed is not shown. If you come serial number 5, physical description, age 1965. That means the proceeding is against a person who was born in and around 1965,
Yes,
not a person born in 1976.
yes, Lord.
This Father Ali appears to have been born in 1976. Father Ali is a different person.
Yes.
This is against Faisal Haq, who was born in and around 1965. Okay.
We have to know 1968 claim. Got to me your side of
Page.
14. Please, is it people here?
What is this at
Otherwise, Lordship,
page 14 again? My sister has pointed out. Date of birth 1966. Father Gatumia within bracket. What is this 1966? Page 14. Annexure A.
yes, yes, Lordship.
Serial number 3. Gatumia bracket.
Who's sick?
And date of birth is 1965. See, it is very, very clear. Okay, anything else, Mr. Sharma?
Yes.
We'll conclude this.
Yes.
I am good on submission.
And so, Lordship, whatever it may be, Lordship, these are the reference made during a IMDT, Lordship. The Lordship, after Sarvananga Suman, Lordship, all the matters pending before the IMDT.
Transferred to
the state tribunal cannot do anything, Lordship. So, Lordship, after that, Lordship, if we see the Gaubura's evidence, Lordship, I have already stated DW1 and 2 contradicted their statements, Lordship, regarding
Years of death of father.
yes,
and all.
yes, Lordship. And Lordship, he said that I never casted vote. He
Yes,
said
yes,
that
yes.
he casted vote in the year of 1993. And so, Lordship, those things are not matching. And one important aspect is Gaubura's evidence, record page 57. মই দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ ফজলকক চিনি পাওঁ দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ কিতাপৰ নাম so after reading the evidence, Lordship, it came to learn that Lordship, whatever Gaubura for the tribunal on the basis of personal knowledge, not beyond that, Lordship. And regarding that, Lordship, I want to rely on 2018 4 GLT 373.
2018?
In 4 GLT 373, Lordship, paragraph number was not given, Lordship, here. So perhaps it will be 22. Reported WPC number.
What is the name?
Lordship, Romila ROMILA KHATUN. So, Lordship, here, in respect of Gaubura's statement, Lordship, Gaubura's certificate, Lordship, this was stated, Lordship. It is tried that documentary evidence would have to be proved on the basis of the record, and the contemporaneous record must substantiate and prove the contents of the document. Proof of document is one thing, and proof of content is another. not only the document would have to be proved, but its contents would also have to be proved. That apart, truthfulness of the contents of the document would also have to be established from record. A document or the contents of the document cannot be proved on the basis of personal knowledge.
Oh, he has said that he did not get the records
Yes, Lordship.
in the last part,
Yes, Lordship.
that register was not there.
And if we see the land document also, Lordship, there also the original record was not produced before the tribunal, Lordship. And only remain this thing is the voter list, Lordship, that will not help because Aditya case 2023 for GLT 246, it is settled law 2023 for GLT 246. Para 14, Lordship. Frequently relying this case, Lordship. We are constrained to observe that mere claim by a suspected person by referring to a voter's list claiming a person daring to be his father is not a conclusive proof, and that by doing so, this person has discharged the burden that he is not a foreigner. This is because there is also a further requirement to prove that the person who is reflected in the voter's list relied upon this actually the father of the person who makes the claim will have to be substantiated with further materials, oblique materials acceptable in law. So, Lordship, here the petitioner is lack of such materials by which he can substantiate his claim that he is not a foreigner. If brother's evidence goes, Gaura's evidence goes, voter list goes, Lordship, nothing will remain, Lordship. That's all.
My lord, add two, I will make.
No, you finish it. We have
Because,
finished it.
no, because my lord, one important judgment regarding
Place it.
report, my lord.
Place it.
Then observe the 5 minutes.
No, place it now.
Yes, my lord. Here, you also can see my WF. Regarding is mentioned in the inquiry report. My WS is written external can see. Paragraph 6.
Page
17.
17. Okay.
Yes. You also can see.
Yes.
That the investigating inquiry officer neither visited the house of the proceeding nor gave any notice to him to produce his relevant document, which shall claim he has an Indian national. Hence, the investigation inquiry carried. Okay. So now it will also can see in this regard judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. It is 2024 0 AIR SC 3551.
2024
0 AIR SC 3551 or 2024 Supreme Court SC 7575.
Yeah. Give the second
2024
citation.
my lord,
AIR.
2024 0 Supreme SC 575. 575. Now it lost can see. I read one.
The name of the parties.
Name of the parties is my lord Muhammad Rahim Ali alias Abdul Rahim versus State of Assam and others.
Rahim Ali.
Rahim Ali. Now, you could say after
Look, we are not sitting division bench.
Then-
There's a single bench.
then I am sorry, man.
No problem.
Then you lost
5 minutes we are giving you.
Yes, madam. Now it is
Rahim Ali, we are aware of Rahim Ali.
Huh?
We are aware of Rahim
Then
Ali.
my lord, you lost see whether the investigating officer, inquiry officer visited my house, whether record.
Rahim Ali has not taken into consideration the relevant paragraphs of a larger bench of Sarvananda.
No, we are not on.
We have dealt with Rahim Ali in a number of cases.
Yes.
Rahim Ali has not taken into consideration the relevant paragraphs of Sarvananda. Rahim Ali is by a 2 judges bench.
Yes.
Sarvananda is by a 3 judges
Three
bench.
judges.
We have
Paragraph 43.
We have
is
left-
a paragraph
we
43
have
not
dealt- we
considered.
have dealt with it.
But fact is this, my lord, if they are not visited,
We'll not go back to that issue.
no, I have not
This
on
has been
that.
decided. Now you had been given a fair opportunity
My lord.
before the tribunal to prove your case.
Yes.
We'll only examine that part.
No, I am not.
We'll
on.
not go back whether
Yes, sir.
the LVO has gone, report is correct. We'll not go back to this.
Because no, my lord. Only they should call me to produce such documents. Nothing. Whether record suggests that anytime they call me, they issue any notice, they come to you produce such documents. Where he written the date of my
We are
1965.
examining the opinion vis-a-vis your endeavor to prove that you
Yeah.
are a citizen of India. That's all.
But why, how can they recorded my date of birth as 96? Where from they get it? This is the main question, my lord.
Okay, please write. Yeah, Ahmed, huh? Then all the names. Hearing is concluded, judgment is done. Second half, there is a single bench for, and we'll dispense with. My sister has also got some matter, single bench matters.
My lord, I have a request, my lord. My lord, item 16 and 17, both are in detention. My lord,
Please request the court master will give you a date.
yes, oblige.
Hello, please.
Okay.
Answer the defendant. Lordship, I would like to find a objection notice regarding the petition they have filed.
Review regarding what?
They have challenged the judgment and order to pass by this honorable court. It will their appeal. So they have reviewed petition on the ground that order 47 rule 1 was not considered at the time of. But after, if we go through the lordship, go through the judgment also, it is reflected the lordship in the page. Lordship has discussed regarding the order 47 rule 20.
Additional evidence.
Yes.
Order 41 rule 27. That were discussed. That were discussed, I think.
Evidence, because they have last week they have raised objection that we have not filed any objection, but this time I want to file objection.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner on call. Para. On the other hand, Miss J. Paul, learned counsel for the opposite party, has sought for time to file objection. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks
Yes.
to enable filing of such objections. Full stop. List on. We'll have it on 25th. Is it okay? 25 May.
Objection.
I didn't.
Where is the finance department?
Malad, IA for Malad 334 days delay. Condonation number.
What is the review you are seeking?
Malad, your lordship's order, lordship will find at page Malad 16.
What review are you seeking?
Yes, operative part lordship will find at paragraph 6, page 19. Now lordship has held, Malad, the appointment of the petitioner is purely personal, made by the treasury officer. Now, in the subsequent writ petition, it is revealed that the appointment of the petitioner with the due approval of the director of treasuries. That was not earlier placed before this honorable court. Had it been placed before this honorable court, the judgment order would have been different.
But time was sought for by them.
Yes, last
Finance
time also
department.
my friend was not available.
But somebody was there seeking adjournment. Finance department, can you?
Yes. Now,
But this is the last matter.
yes, last matter, my lord. My friend has been. Anyway, my lord, any other date?
We will try for another date, okay?
My lord.
While Sri M.U. Mondo, learned counsel for the applicant is present, there is no representation from the finance department in spite of names being reflected in the cause list. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed as and when dispense is available.
Mal. Obliged.
Please inform Mr.
My lord, I'll
Next date he should be there.
My lord, I'll